Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have come down to Talk GT JDM Heaven with Morgan.
Hello.
Hello Morgan, how are you?
Yeah, very good. Excited to have you.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to show you around Talk GT today. So got a few nice things lined up in the background. So let's have a look.
Nice, let's go for it. You have a lot of parts here.
Yeah.
Jesus. How do you figure out what to stock?
So we go by like quality of what we'd all put on our own cars. So I think it's the best brands with the biggest heritage. So things like NK, Fujitsu, Teen, Spoon Sports, Mugen. It's stuff that we think adds value to cars.
It's basically all the high-end stuff.
Yeah,
really.
exactly.
And Dixel, lots of it.
Dixel we import from Japan. It's used in a lot of racing series across Asia. So Super Taikyu, lots of kind of touring series in Japan and Asia. It's lesser known in the UK, so I think we're trying to kind of get it going, get the ball rolling with Dixel, get more people on board. Go to the Nürburgring, everyone loves it. So Soft 99, some of the best cleaning products.
Yeah.
Amazing packaging, that's probably one of my favourite things about it.
Oh, so bright, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, crazy. Very Jap, very bright.
Probably the next biggest thing. But yeah, some of the best finishes, lightweight performance, some really cool wheels here.
Quality wheels, aren't
Yeah,
they?
exactly.
I don't even know if I can touch that. It's like a wall.
Yeah, we stack them pretty high.
Yeah, that's mad.
Let's walk around this way.
What's your favourite brand here?
Favourite brand? Well, it's obviously Spoon Sports.
Of course.
Yeah, it's got to be Spoon Sports.
Shiny purple Exoracing boxes. By the way, Talk GT are one of our dealers, just in case anyone didn't know.
Yeah, and it's one of those things where, you know, whenever we sell heat management, it's usually those useful bits when doing those K-series builds.
Yeah.
It's just so essential. I mean, the heat blankets are particularly good. Nothing but great feedback from it as well. It's all those little things, like I said, like the gaskets, your hoses, exo hoses are brilliant. If you are doing K-swap into anything, it's usually with hybrid racing parts.
Oh, for sure.
But they do, obviously, it's heavily influenced by the American market, and the Americans are crazy when it comes to K-swapping. So
Yeah.
they've been in the game.
Hybrid are American, though. Aren't
Yeah,
they?
exactly.
Yeah.
And they've been in the game for a long time, so they know what they're doing when it comes to all these Honda kind of performance modifications. Good quality brand. Next one.
Next one.
So we're Spoon Sports' main distributor or UK distributor.
Nice.
Some of the most kind of the greatest stuff that you can get for your Honda.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's got loads of heritage. If you know about modding your Honda, you probably know about Spoon Sports.
For sure.
So,
I guess even in the branding, like their stuff's quite simple, just blue and white, and I guess as soon as anybody sees the packaging, they'll just know straight away.
Yeah, instantly recognisable.
Yeah.
Any Honda owner, a Honda's kind of synonymous with Mugen. So
Oh yeah.
I want to say that we took that to, I think we did a big reveal on it. Again, I wasn't here at the time. But yeah, that went down like a treat. Everyone absolutely loved it.
Oh, I bet.
I'd be curious to know what they're worth these days.
Oh, I don't really know. Wasn't there one that sold like a couple of months ago that was like disgusting money?
Yeah, but I think they command it because obviously there's so few
limited,
of them.
weren't they?
Yeah, exactly.
You guys have a lot of Fujitsu here.
Yeah, so I think Fujitsu, a lot of people call it like the gentleman's exhaust when it comes to Japanese exhaust. But you do have loads of ranges from kind of a bit more subtle to all-out racing exhausts.
Yeah.
They're again like a perfect kind of modification for your Honda, your Subaru, Mitsubishi. There's loads of different options.
I guess it's all the old Jab stuff. I guess they do some new stuff.
Yeah, and again, it's a long-standard heritage brand, so it would have come on, you know, EP3s from JDM EP3s, you know, fresh out the box. Often, you know, would have had a Fujitsu on it, and long-standing heritage, good racing connection. Overall, just quality brand, really, really well designed. So
yeah, for sure.
if you buy a Fujitsu from us, we should be able to fit it within the hour. And it should fit like a glove. So
I guess it's the thing, isn't it? They're not the cheapest on the market, but they're good. So
exactly.
Yeah,
You're paying for quality.
yeah, for sure. That is insane. How many Skylines do you have in here?
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 at the minute. Well, that's R34s, a couple R32s. We've had more, believe it or not. I think towards the end of last year, I think we had 9 R34
You had
GTRs.
9?
9, yeah.
It's like that. That is amazing. And they're mega clean as well. Are these up for sale?
Yeah, so most of these, or a lot of these are for sale.
Yeah.
This one, for example, is for sale at the minute. Same as Tommy Mac. So we've got a few of these for sale. Some are our own kind of demo cars, stuff that we hold. Others are on the or selling on behalf of customers. So it's a mixed bag really, but a lot of this is showroom stock, yeah.
Right, that's crazy. Because you guys import as well, don't you, for
Yeah, so
anyone?
that's our main gig, is importing Japanese performance cars. That's been going since 2001, so we're pretty well established. From start to finish, we'll source it, inspect the vehicle, import it, do any prep that it needs to. That needs to be done to it, and then obviously do handover.
Why can they not drive them?
I believe it's because it'll be at an auction lot, so yeah, they're just not allowed to drive them. Again, they will get really kind of underneath it, have a good inspection. We have really high standards, and so do they, so if it's not up to scratch, we'll leave it.
What if a customer wants you to import the worst car ever and they want it absolutely battered, cheap as hell? What do you do then?
Well, it's funny you say that, because often people come to us and would have seen something specific, often with like a wide body kit on it. And it's really tricky because obviously there's a grading system in Japan. Chances are it'll be, I believe, an R grade.
Right.
And there's lots of grey areas as to what its past life has been like.
Right.
It's a tricky one. We tend to go for super clean, you know, the higher end stuff. Low mileage. So the rarest car I think we've got is going to be the V-Spec 2 NERS. So we've got 2 of them.
They gave you a car. They gave you one for free.
Yeah.
What would you take?
Everyday driving, it'd be an Evo.
Okay.
I'd say either an Evo 5 or an Evo 6. I am impartial to an Evo 9 as well.
I love an Evo 9.
Yeah, they're amazing. just for everyday usability.
Yeah.
They're brilliant. They're kind of, after a bit of tuning, they're usually at quite a usable power level, like 350, 360.
What about if you want to send it? Then what?
I do like
Just so your eyes light up then.
I do like an R32. I think I'd take an R32 over an R34 just because it's a bit more subtle. And I do quite like, obviously, the boxier shape to them. So yeah, it's a Fairlady Z or Z, depends on which part of the world you're in.
Yeah.
But it's a 380 RS, so it's a Nismo edition.
Okay.
So I believe only 300 units were made. It's based off of a VQ35 engine.
Right.
But it's been enhanced to 3.8 litre.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, bigger displacement, really special car, great driver's car. Not many around as well. So if you want to be a bit different, then this is a really good shout.
Is it for sale?
It's currently for sale.
Nice.
I can't imagine it staying for long.
Yeah.
Because it is quite unique. But yeah, this is currently for sale in our showroom, this one.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, I'll put a link down below for anyone who wants it, because this thing is beautiful. Are there any other cars in here? Any other special cars that you want to talk about?
We've got lots of FD2s, so we love FD2s. They don't seem to hang around.
That looks so nice in black. It's quite hard to see from that angle, but...
Caused a bit of a stir on social media recently, saying it was one of the best Civic Type R's ever made. Best handling, put it that way.
You're going to get so much
Yeah, I
backlash
know. Controversy's good. But yeah, longer wheelbase.
Yeah.
It's got really stiff chassis, so it's really good for kind of high-speed cornering. So it's our bread and butter, really, is Champ White Hondas.
I guess it makes sense, doesn't it? Because like Championship White is like the one, isn't it, from EK9s, DC2s, and all like the older stuff.
Nice contrast interior. Champ White exterior.
The Type R thing.
Exactly.
Isn't it?
This is pretty special. So everyone knows an RX-7.
Yeah.
So this is a Spirit R. So yeah, it comes with quite a high spec, different from just the standard models.
Yeah.
There's a lot of kind of niche info about RX-7s, which, but yeah, it's like the pinnacle of a Japanese car, really. Pop-up headlights.
Yeah. So, what is your rarest car in here? We obviously know there's a lot, so...
Yeah, so I'd have to say the rarest one we've got, or the rarest two we've got,
Yeah.
are probably these V-Spec 2 NERs, both in Millennium Jade. So
You've got a pair of them?
Yeah, I know.
I didn't even notice.
So there's only 156 made in Millennium Jade, and
Yeah.
we've got two of them. So it's quite special. This one's still for sale as well.
Yeah.
It's just patiently waiting for the right owner.
Right.
But this is as OEM as it gets. So you asked me what car, obviously, if I were to own one, I did say an Evo. So
Yeah.
we do have this Evo 5 for sale as well. Probably one of the best Japanese cars, in my opinion, that you can get.
in my opinion.
That you can get for under £30,000. So if I were to drive away with one today and part my cash with, it'd probably be this one. And you get this instant feeling. It just makes all the right JDM noises.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's just overall.
It's crazy, isn't it, how like everything in here is all old and 90s, but
Yeah.
everyone's so passionate about this stuff.
Yeah, the best thing about the 80s and 90s Japanese stuff, it was like the leading edge of the new technologies at the time. So it was all very much at the forefront, and it was all driven, a lot of it was driven by motorsport. So what you got out of Japan back in those days was really high quality stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
It's something that a lot of people won't understand until you've driven a JDM Legend.
For sure.
You won't really understand the hype until you've driven one of these or been
Yeah.
a passenger in one of them. You know, a lot of our customers are obviously people who've grown up with these cars in their teenagers or when they were kids, and have finally got an opportunity to buy one. That's where we come in.
So last thing, oh, look at that wall.
Yeah,
Just stand in front of it.
This is the iconic
So you
Top
get a
GT
beautiful
wall.
backdrop. Look at that.
Yeah, so if you see a photo on the internet with this wall,
That's cool.
it's a Torque GT car.
So you guys have got a full workshop here as well, haven't you?
Yeah, so as well as our personal import service and a showroom, so we've got full-on workshop, as well as a body shop, detailing services. So what we can offer or take on is like certain projects where we'll take on UK vehicles or vehicles from Japan.
Yeah.
We can modify them, we can maintain them. Just your everyday UK car as well, we do servicing, stuff like that. It's one of the whole part of the package of it being a one-stop shop. We can do everything in-house. We sell amazing products, we can fit amazing products with amazing servicing.
Yeah.
Some of our techs are, you know, they've been in the game for a long, long time, so really, really experienced and completely clued up on all these JDM Legends.
So I think we have basically covered every single thing here.
Yeah.
This place is absolutely insane, just crazy. Just want to say thanks to Morgan. Like, you guys have so much stuff going on now. I know you're mega busy as well, so
That's okay.
thanks for having me down
No
for
worries,
one.
thanks for coming.
Thank you very much. How do you keep up?
Well, I don't sometimes. You can find everything. We're all on kind of socials. We're all on website and stuff. So
Yeah, I'll tag that below.
yeah, perfect. And it's one of those things where we are obviously kind of tucked away, being in the southwest of England. But you know, we are here. We've got lots going on, often behind closed doors. So just keep an eye out, see what we've got going on.
Yeah, thank you very much.
No
We'll
worries.
catch you guys soon.